Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. Huh? Check here. MacBook Pro, 17 inch. Now, this laptop died 6 years ago. Let's see the customer email. So the customer is saying no power and not charging. I don't have the confidence to fix myself. It died about 6 years ago. So this is a dead laptop. And you know what? We have to fix it. Yeah, this is a well-paid job. And this video, we just started the video. In this video, this laptop has to be fixed. It's a must. Yeah. So I will say let's start. Let's plug the charger and see what it's doing. Plug in the charger. We have the green light. Pressing the power button, and it's not coming on. And we have the orange light. Check here. Yeah, the laptop is not starting at all. I will say, let's open the laptop and let's have a look inside. Yeah. Let's see how a laptop which died 6 years ago looks inside. Okay, so the laptop is open. Wow. I mean, it's not looking bad at all. I can't see any liquid damage. I can see some corrosion here, but that's normal. Okay, let's plug the charger. And let me find a schematic for this one because I don't remember to repair this specific model. Okay, let's see the schematic. So we have the AC adapter, we have a 6 amps fuse. Then we have the power supply battery charging. PPV bat G3 hot. And this power rail 6 to 8.4 volts. Good. Then we have two fuses. Now, I'm not sure what is the idea to have two fuses in a parallel mode. I don't understand this. This is a little bit weird. Then we have two diodes. So one from the input, exactly like on the BQ chip on the laptops, normal laptops. You have a double diode. One from the battery, one from the input, from the power input. Then both are going and are creating the PP3V42 G3 hot, which is the power supply of the SMC. Then all power supplies are connected to the main power rail. Yeah. Let's check the power. Let's check what we have on this fuse. So F040 is on the other side of the board. But we can check. Yeah, we can check here on those capacitors, right? Yeah, we can do it. Let's do it. So checking the main power rail. Here. And we have 8 volts. Is present. MOSFETs. A volts. So the main power LED is present. You know what? I'm not confident with this repair. I cannot follow my own things, yeah? So we have to do it slowly with the schematic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the motherboard out because like I said, I don't remember to fix this model before. And we're gonna go through every step following the schematic. So give me some time to take the motherboard out. Okay, so the motherboard, it's out. A little bit dusty, but looks good. I can't see liquid damage. Okay, let me clean it quickly. Okay, so everything is on place. We do have the green light. Let's check our SMC chip. But where is our SMC chip? Is this one? Let's check on the keyboard connector if we have the 3.3. That's the easiest way to find the 3.3, 3.4 volts. And we have 3.3, actually nearly 3.4. Now, call me crazy, but main power rail is present. The voltage on our startup GPT is present. I want to check the power button. Okay, the keyboard is plugged in. Let's press the power button and see what is happening with the laptop. 3.4, pressing the power button, nothing happened. Pressing the power button is going to 0. Check there. You can see it's going to 0. So the power button, it is working. So if the power button is working, we have the reset pin for the SMC. U4900. 1 second. It's looking fine, proper clean. Now we have to focus on this chip because the board has voltage but it's not starting. Well, actually, we can check the SMC reset L. Also, I want to check this pin. All C is power good. Look, the power button is here. Yeah, I found it. Then we have few signals probably from the chipset. Okay, let's check the reset. Reset L. I found it. I found it. Good. Let's check the voltage there. And the voltage here is 3.4 volts, which is good. Okay, let's check this one. PP3V3G3 RTC. Yeah, let's see what is this one. U2801. U2801. Yeah, there it is. It's next to the SMC. And the output pin is pin number 5. Pin number 5 is this one. Good. Let's see. We don't have that chip. That's crazy. We do have the voltage on the output, which is pin number 5, this one. But the chip is not here. You think I have different schematic? We can check the clock into the crystal. But probably the clock is present. We have such a nice clock there. That's crazy. Yeah, so the clock, it is present. I was thinking, you know what, maybe the SMC is faulty, but it's not. Okay, power good. Where is the power good thingy? You know, I give up. Like I'm here from like check here, 40 minutes. Yeah, you can see 40 minutes, and I didn't figure it out. What is the problem? I mean, everything what I check seems to be fine. You know, I'm curious how the people are fixing this. This is an old board, right? It is anything on YouTube regarding this board? Do you think we can fix a motherboard watching YouTube videos? You know, I never done it on a video. But we can do it now together. A1297. No power, right? This one? Louis Rossmann. What caused no power? A 17-inch unibody MacBook. How to fix it? Can we fix this motherboard just watching a video? What do you think? Huh?
Here, this is going to be the area on the 15 and 17-inch 2008 and 2009 MacBook Pros where you're going to find that little capacitor right underneath this coil over here.
Yeah, I do have it here.
And I'll show
yeah.
you under the microscope. You should see.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. We have it. This one. This capacitor. This one. 1 second. Let's see what he's saying.
And as you can see here, we're getting 0.314 volts. We're supposed to be getting 1.05 volts. 0.314 is not.
No way. Let's see. Let's see if it's the same fault. Let's check. Let me plug the charger. Yeah, we do have the green light. Let's see. So he is saying, actually, I should have 0.3 if it's this fault. 0.3 volts. That's crazy. So here has to be like 1 volt. 1 second. I mean, how a capacitor can be dry?
Not enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that capacitor, which is the problem, and replace it with a better one.
So he soldered the capacitor.
And what do we get? 1.106,
1.1
which is
volts.
close enough to what we're looking for.
Do you really think actually can be a capacitor? Let me get a capacitor. Yeah, 1 second. Let me get a capacitor. Yeah, found it. So we have a capacitor here. 470 micro. It's bigger than his because he used 330 micro. So what he's saying, if I try from the ground here, a capacitor, nah, I still have 0.3. No, it doesn't work. Nah, it's not the same fault. It's not the same, but it's same voltage, 0.3. I mean, this is ground, right? It must be ground. Ground plus, no, it's not working. But at least we know there has to be 1.1. Or, let's do a test. Minus, and we have the capacitor there, right? What is the voltage? 0.3. So what I will do, I will disconnect the charger. Yeah, so the charger is disconnected, and I reconnect the charger. And the charger is connected. 1.1 volts, that's crazy. Check there. 1.1 volts. That's insane. So actually, actually, that capacitor is gone. But where we can put this here? It's too big. Yeah, I can find another one. I can't believe. So actually, you can fix laptops by watching YouTube. I believe that's what everyone is doing, right? I can't believe I mean, even if you have schematics, probably this kind of fault, like a dry capacitor, you can go like crazy mad and you will not find it. I mean, I never ever found a dry capacitor on a laptop. Did you ever see me to find like a dry? I'm removing the capacitor, you know what I mean? But this one, I believe this one is on the output of the coil, yeah? So this is not the input capacitor. 1 second. So probably it's from this coil or this coil. This coil. Yeah, we have 0. You can see? So this is the output capacitor, yeah? Remember I told you, you can't remove the output capacitors. But again, I never found an output capacitor dry. Never ever. And probably I will never think, you know, okay, let me check the output capacitors and let me double them to see if it's working. I will say thank you, Luis. You know, Luis, he's a master on MacBooks, you know. All we have is to replace this little prick. I mean, still don't get it. So those, even on, 1 second, let me check, 1 second. So this is a tantalum capacitor, right? This is a high quality capacitor, which, you know, can take a lot of like temperature difference and stuff. So not sure how this capacitor died. Not only the capacitor died, but looks like it's a common fault. I mean, okay, I get it, yeah, the output capacitor, it's really under a lot of stress. But to get dry, like that dry, so actually the power supply is not working anymore. Yeah, okay, let me find another capacitor. The capacitor matter? No, really. This is 1 volt. I mean, any capacitor you will get, probably will be over 1 volt. So let's focus on the capacity, yeah? Okay, so basically we can use the bigger capacitor, right? Yeah, 330 micro. Should be fine, right? Yeah, should be fine. Or let's get this one. Perfect. Okay, but my problem is the capacitor is too big. Now, how can I put this capacitor there? I mean, I wish I use a bigger one. No, I have no space here. Okay, let me check the ground track. Yeah, the ground track. I think the ground track, 1 second. The ground track is going here? No. No, the ground track is here. Here. Yeah, here is ground. Yeah. So that's the ground track. Okay, let's make some space. Okay, let's move this coil. Perfect. Let's move this coil on the other way. Perfect. So we made some space for the capacitor. So we can solder the capacitor here. Like that. And ground. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect job. What do you think? Huh? This is an improvement. Let's check our capacitor ground. Ground. No short, no short. What do you think? It will work? Huh? Let me cool down the board quickly. Yeah, the board is fine. So plug in the charger. Good. We plug the charger. Let's check the voltage there. We have 1.1 volts. Check on the screen. We have 1.1 volts. So this motherboard is working now? Huh? That's my question. Let's check. Let's see. Let's plug a fan. We have to power on the motherboard. Let's see. If I remember, was the pin number 5? And the fan is spinning. That's crazy. It's working. Lol. That was the issue, the capacitor. Can't believe. Can't believe actually it's working. The internet is beautiful. I told you so many times. Okay, you know what? Let's put the motherboard back and let's do a test. What do you think? Huh? It's a good job. What do you think? It's better. So we fit a bigger capacitor. That means this laptop should work a lot longer. So let me put the motherboard back so we can then we can test it together. Just give me a little bit of time. Okay, so it's all back in place. So I put it all back together. Then I realized the speaker is out. So I have to open again everything, take the motherboard out and screw the speaker into the motherboard. Insane design. Anyway, it's all back. I didn't test it. I will plug the battery. So the battery is plugged. Let me plug the charger. the charger is plugged. Pressing the power button, the fans are spinning. We have picture and sound. You heard the chime sound? Actually, we have backlight. We don't have picture. We have picture. Yeah, we have picture. I can't believe actually it's working. Now the customer has access on his data, and I know you can stop the hard drive, but here is something more. The has some software which is linked with the motherboard. That's the reason why he wanted to fix it. It's working. I can't believe actually it was a capacitor. I can't believe actually I replaced the capacitor. Well, every day we are learning something new. I'm gonna stop this video because the laptop is fixed. Thanks to Luis' video, I will say thank you, Luis. And what can I say? You know, YouTube, internet, it's just, you know, it's so easy to search for what you need and find the information. Okay, thank you for watching. You know, like, subscribe if you like the video, only if you like. And see you on the next one. Bye.